Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siya. Guys, can you tell me at least 3 people or 2 people that have been arrested after a ad hoc was formed to combat crime, except for Madlang? Happily, Madlang is doing other things, guys. Basically, Julius during the week, I don't want to lie, is in a toilet paper at some stage here on the forehead. At some stage, he was drinking water again, like he always does. He was just making a fool of himself there. He's been arrested. Well, okay, that's fine. You know, this is it. You're done. You just like funny because actually you must move in together. In fact, I'm just like, guys, it's just like taking other directions. And then I just catch figure like simlindile. I'm just like, oh yes, umkhwanazi uzoshuba. Abona cartel one by one. Did you see how umkhwanazi also come? Ngisho ke mina general. General phela ayi deputy lo. General uNhlanhla. Khona sifana ngabe national. He knows what he's doing, that person. And he's been researching and been investigating these crazy guys who are just about to finish our country. Umatlala is like the worst for me. Umatlala at some stage, he wanted his own little place. For big, the airport, wanting money from that bank. I was just like, lo, he was just about to become like almost like Mexicans. And I'm a substances need literally. I was like, Aibo. Oh my gosh. Untlant is actually a lifesaver. Because honestly, ngabasikuphi. Bongolo buqhopho. Ngoba guys, yabona izinto that deputy Julius Mkhwanazi was doing. They are beyond me. Oh, extortion. Oh, kidnapping. Oh, makopa theft. Like a whole. Deputy Commissioner, you cannot even be serious right now. I'm just like, but uyambona. And you besebanjiwe in a way during the week. Because he was shaking like you've never seen. Even the first time he came to Madlanga, he was shaking. But manje, he was just like, my life is done. It's over. At some stage, during his first appearance at Madlanga, during his first hearing, he was just like, I have a wife. I have children. During the so concorating there and stammering there. Oh my gosh, I was just like, baba guys. He didn't have to be like that. Even one of the legal experts was just like, this person's delusional, guys. Guys, I was just like, it's not funny anymore. Exactly easy. Look at Matala Lama Let's Kumnandi in your life. Actually, I was just like, wow, guys, like, Julius Mkhwanazi, guys. Yeah, I think the charges for Julius Mkhwanazi on Monday, I'm sure when he appears on court, there will be more than what we know. Besides the fact that also Wajela Marius van der Merwe ukuzuthatha umzimba, ibody, Gambense and put it in the dam. Guys, and then Moses Ufike Madlanga, you are another person now. We must feel sorry for you. You cannot even be serious right now. Please. Meanwhile, the Action SA is like, he must be fired from AMPD. I'm just like, really his life is over, guys. It's done. And you know Julius, which his life is done. During his first appearance there at Madlanga, he was just like peeling him. You could see him as a person. Manje, he was worse this week. He's going to end up in jail. And everyone has been saying, no, he must go to jail like Kofana Nkos. But actually, they're in the same level, sort of, you know. They do the same things. They do almost the same crimes. You're right. Yes, you know what I think about these two. Sergeant Faningos, can you know, ex-deputy commissioner, yes, a good lady, Uputilo. Julius Mkhwanazi, I think they're on the tip. You know when you think you're untouchable because of power, but you don't think about tomorrow, and you don't think about consequences, and you can't be accounting to anything. Because during the week, he was just like, I don't know, No, I don't know. I'm just like, Kanjan. So you're not gonna take accountability for anything. Here is the incriminating information about Julius Mkhwanazi ukuthi he is definitely going to rot in jail. Madlanga Commission, one thing I'm noticing about it is that siyabona ama-results. Ngeke guys, yabo nje into loku strong nale like there's on the commission. You don't see those results. We need the results in life. We cannot just be played by people, by criminals in our country. No. Abantu ababoshwa nobantu basazoboshwa. Babona ufana inkosi. Beno Julius Mkhwanazi. They are showing us ukuthi no, actually a lot is still coming. Angazi ngame sekufike uGeneral Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi eGauteng sokwenza kanjani kuzoba wesa ababoshwa abantu. We don't know who is next, but General Sibiya is in my top 2. That's going to jail. He's definitely going. I've been waiting patiently. I'm sure he's also waiting patiently to go to jail.
Then took place as to how to deal with the scene. Kershaw Lee tried phoning a paramedic to declare the suspect dead. Viandre approached me and informed me that he will phone General Feroz Khan to fix this. I in turn responded and said no, as this is Viandre's problem. He responded and said it's all of us in this, and if anyone talks, he will go to prison for killing them. I walked away from Viandre, and I walked away from Viandre, as myself and Viandre have had issues in the past. I saw Jaco Hanekom walking towards us. Jaco then informed myself and Viandre that the chief will come and sort out the issue. I noticed John Marie Ekstein, Zander Fritz, and other members leaving, including Kobus Jansen van Rensburg from Coast Guard, to go and look for a firearm to plant at this house.
Apologies, Witness D, you say that Jaco informed all of you that the chief would come and sort out the issue. Do you know who he was referring to when he said the chief?
Commissioners, at that stage, I did not know who he was referring to. And as continued in my statement, I walked to the main gate after this was said, and after I noticed the members that I've mentioned walk away to go and get a firearm to plant.
Yes.
I walked to the main gate of the property and saw that my vehicle, which is a Ford Ranger, black in color, marked, was parked in by 2 marked NPD vehicles, which prevented me from leaving at that point. It made me question the whole scenario and what was currently taking place. A short while after this, Chief Soup Julius Mkhwanazi, JD Mkhwanazi, arrived at the scene, and we were informed that this is the chief in a dark tracksuit of some sort.
At this time, apologies, Witness, at this time, did you know who Chief Superintendent Julius Mkhwanazi was?
It was my first time seeing him that evening, and then it was obviously when Jaco indicated to us that this is Mkhwanazi, Chief Soup Mkhwanazi.
Did you know what unit or institution he's aligned to?
From the system, I understood that he was EMPD or Metro Police.
EMPD, you say?
Yeah, or Metro Police, from the rank structure.
Thank you. You may continue.
Thank you, Commissioners. So Jaco Hanekom and Viandre addressed him as chief, and the Metro members, including Jaco, Kershaw, Etienne was with me at that stage. So the Metro members, they all had a meeting with the soup away from myself and Etienne. Shortly afterwards, they returned to where we were. JD Mkhwanazi said that we needed to throw the suspect's body into a mine shaft or dump it into a dam. As he said this, he looked at me. Viandre then in turn informed me that I must take the body and dump it. They will show me where and that I should relax. Since my vehicle is marked, Viandre said it won't attract any attention